Do you want to create professional looking videos but lack video editing skills? Or maybe you are just a blogger who just want to turn his or her blogs into stunning professional looking videos but lack editing at all. So don't worry, this video is for you because in this video I am going to show you one AI tool called Lumen5 that will help you to create stunning professional looking videos for completely free. So watch this video till the end because this tool will help you a lot. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So Lumen5 is a simple AI tool that helps you to create videos from text. For example, if you have a blog post or want to create a video for social media, then Lumen5 is the best AI tool for you. It will help you create professional looking videos in just a couple of seconds. So watch this tutorial till the end. Now let me take you to my laptop screen. So now as you can see my laptop screen, now I will go to just Google Chrome and here I will just search for Lumen 5 AI tool. So you have to click on the first website that is of Lumen 5 and you just have to click on this and then you will see an interface like this. So here you will see about Lumen 5 use cases, AI voiceover, talking head, and these are the features that Lumen 5 offers. You can use it as a video editor. You can also record your voice and add to your video, photo video maker, Facebook video maker, and there are plethora of other features also that Lumen 5 offers. So now we have to click on the sign up option. So if you are new to it, you will have to sign up as you know. So you have to just fill in your details. Let me fill my, and you have to click create account. And within just a couple of seconds it will create the account for you. So now you have to select your brand kit. You can select brand colors or you can skip this section also. So let me select red as it's my favorite. So now this is the interface you will see, and there are some pre-built templates also which you can use and customize also according to your needs. So I am going to skip for now and we'll go to the main section. So yeah, now we can see there are options which are available like text on media. You can convert a blog post, document, or idea to video. Then do you have AI voiceover where you can convert a blog post, document, or idea to an AI voiceover video. And then there are other also like AI avatar, voiceover, talking head. You can upload or record your own talking head clip. So for now, I'm just going to click on text on media as we have to create video from text. So now you can paste your text. If you have a written text or you have a script, then you can paste or upload here, or you can upload a document also or URL also. For now, I am going to just give it a random script. So what will your video be about? So uh, let me give it a topic: the rise of the artificial intelligence. So now we have to give minimum three details. So about our video, that what our video will is about and what's the script. So we have to give main three ideas about our video. So number one I'm going to give is that what is artificial intelligence. Number two I'm going to give it is how AI is going to revolutionize this entire modern world. Number three, I'm going to give is what are the disadvantages of using AI. So the title of the video is the rise of artificial intelligence, and here is the three details I have given to this you have to accept all cookies, and then you have to click on compose script, and it will analyze your content to create a good script. So it's analyzing my content. Now here you can see that it has created a script. The introduction is artificial intelligence is transforming our world. It's a fascinating journey. Let's explore its rise. And here it has written what is artificial intelligence. It refers to machine, human intelligence. It involves learning, reasoning, and problem solving. So it has revolutionized the modern world. It's revolutionizing industries, healthcare. So disadvantages of AI. So it has drawbacks. So it has generated a good script. Now we have to click on continue. Now you can see, so we can publish 2-minute videos on the free plan, and if you want more then you can upgrade plans. So you can check out the plans. So here are their plans. Basic cost you 19 US dollars, starter is 59 US dollars, and if you want to go for professional, yeah, you have to pay $149. So it depends upon you which plan you want to choose. If you want to go for the free, you can also go for the free. So I'm going to click back here. So now we have to just convert to video. We have to click on convert to video, and it will, within a minutes, it will create a good professional looking video. So you can see it's creating scenes. So it will take just couple of minutes and it will create a good video. So we have to wait for that till that. Yes, you can see here it has generated the scenes, and you can see it's very good and it's professional also. It's looking professional, and you can customize also. If you want to write something else, you can write your own thoughts or own things also. But for the timing, I'm not going to make any changes. So then we have to click on publish. If you think that this video is good, these scenes are good, then the last step is you can click publish to complete your video. So you have to click on the publish button. So it will take some time. Now you can see that it has generated a good video, and we can see also, and you can download this video also. As you can see, it has generated a good video. It has also added the voice also, background music, sorry. So you can see the final result on your screen. It has generated a really good video, and you can post it on social media, LinkedIn, YouTube, or wherever you want. So it was for today's video, and if you find something helpful, and if you are looking to create stunning professional looking videos, then check out this Lumen5 app AI tool. And I have given the link also in the description, and you can click on that link and could use for free and could create videos that you can publish on social media. So if you like this video, then please share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more such amazing content, and I will see you in the next video.